Now the first step is to switch on the printer. So power button is at the back side of this printer, so press it once. I'm going to install the load the A4 size sheets. So paper tray is at the bottom, so just place the sheets here and close the tray. Also I'm going to install the ink cartridges, so take the starter ink cartridges out of the packing and you can just tear it off. Open the ink cartridge and here you can see there is an orange seal, so just remove this seal from here. Same way we open the ink cartridges of the black ink and remove the orange seal and open the ink cartridge chamber. So just lift this door and you will see the ink cartridge chamber is here, and these sockets will move and come here. Now the color cartridge will go to the pink side, so that is the tricolor number 67, and the black will go to the black side. So simply place it here and lock it with this flap. Now close the door and your cartridges are installed.